This is my new to me, German-made Pionier Falbot, which means folding boat, and it's a folding kayak, and it's circa 1938, and it was bought by an Englishman, and it's been in his family ever since. That is until yesterday when I bought it. I saw it advertised on Facebook in Rome, so I raced all the way down there to get it. And this is the first trial assembly of the boat. She's 17 foot long, and there's an interesting story behind this particular design, because a German chap before the war, he was in his 20s, he actually paddled one of these from Germany all the way to Australia, this very model. So the next thing is to mark where all the pieces go and the reference, and then try it with the skin on. More to follow later.